Do you have a Mokwheel Basalt, the Basalt ST, or the Mokwheel Scoria like I have here, and you love your bike, but there's just one thing you don't like about it, and that is the ghost pedaling? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem for under 50 bucks. So let's get into it. When I reviewed my Mokwheel Scoria, well, I found out that it had a ghost pedaling issue once I hit like 18 miles an hour. And it didn't matter if I was on pedal assist 4 or pedal assist 5. Anytime I hit 18 miles an hour, well, you could feel it start to ghost pedal. Wasn't a fan of that, but loved the bike. Matter of fact, I loved it so much that I did all of these accessories and updates to make it my favorite utility bike. But when it came to fixing the ghost pedaling issue, well, here's what I did. The Basalt and Scoria come with a 44-tooth front chain ring. Well, I hopped onto Amazon, purchased a 48-tooth, but then the teeth stuck up higher than the chain ring guard. So I bought a 48-tooth chain ring guard as well. Put those two together. Now the neat part is anybody can do this. All you have to do is take off these 4 bolts right here. This part will pop off. This part will come undone. Obviously unhook your chain. But the neat part is you don't have to get a new chain. You can use the stock chain that comes with the bike when you make this upgrade. You're just going to slide the new ones back on, put the chain back on the bike, and it's going to fix that problem. Here, let me show you. Yeah, in pedal assist number 3, you're still doing 18 miles an hour, but you feel like you're going to ghost pedal, which I don't get that very often with a bike with a torque sensor on it. Now here we are with the 48-tooth front sprocket on here, and we are in gear 7. We are in pedal assist number 5, and we're just cruising at 18 miles an hour. I'm barely putting any effort into it, and normally I would be pedaling my butt off just to get it at this speed. So let's show you what happens when we start doing some torquing on this bike a little bit. We quickly shoot up to 25 to 26 miles an hour, and the pedaling, you know, you don't feel like you're ghost pedaling. It feels right, and it makes it super easy to cruise at these faster speeds. It's probably one of the best upgrades I have made to this bike. Let's really crank on it and see what kind of speeds we can hit. We're at 27, we're at 28, 27, 28. Now, I mean, this is going to make your legs burn, but I'm not ghost pedaling. We're just pedaling. I can now pedal as fast as the bike goes by just using throttle. Before, I would use throttle all the time because I would ghost pedal at 18 miles an hour. Now, I just pedal through the whole ride. Well, there we have it. And hopefully these suggestions are going to help you make the most out of your riding experience with your Mokwheel Basalt, Basalt ST, or your Scoria. I'll be leaving all the links in the description down below so you can easily find what you're looking for, because I've tested these out and I know that these items work. Now, if you're interested about the other modifications that I've made to my Mokwheel Scoria to make it the ultimate utility bike, well, at least for me, well, I'll be doing another video showing you about the 15 different modifications that I've done to this bike. So I want to thank you for watching. And until I see you again, enjoy the ride.